There's a new plumber in
Hello
town.
everybody, good morning. Well, it's morning for me. I know it's kind of late. But anyway, I learned something. At my 80 years old, I'm barely learned that this one, we remove this thing. We remove it, turn around, and remove it. And this is, I noticed because lo noté porque el agua ya no se estaba yendo rápido en mi tina. Entonces dije, pero le daba vuelta y vuelta. I would turn around and nothing happened. It would just remove these. And then I remember my husband took it away, but I didn't know what else to do. So there's a hole in here, and I said, like, there must be a reason for this thing to have a hole. So I got my scissors, of course. I'm not a plumber or anything. So I put the thing of the scissors here, and then I started screwing it around, and le di vueltas y vueltas y vueltas, y ¿qué creen? Que se salió esto para afuera. Esto. Todo esto, mira, se sale para afuera, y luego ya quitas esto, you remove that, and then you can remove all the stuff that gets stuck in here. And it had a lot of stuff in there, hairs, toothpicks, like whatever I found in there. And maybe because the babies play in here, but I finally learn how to do this. I didn't know. Thank you so much for watching, and I learned something. That's my goal. It's always